This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Lena Levine. This super charming starter home is just the property you've been searching for. With its all-brick exterior, you'll enjoy many years of trouble-free maintenance. When you enter the home, you will immediately appreciate the open floor plan that you typically don't find in older homes. The living area has a vaulted ceiling which gives nice airy feeling. The living/dining/kitchen area all combine so nicely to create the most ideal setting for entertaining and everyday living. All of the bedrooms are a good size which will accommodate many furniture placement options. Truly, there is no wasted space in this functional layout. The home has already been updated with new plumbing and electrical work, so no worries about that. For more information, review the details below.